Hi. Today I have some sad news. So there's this hummingbird that would always come to our house. Today on our front porch, he died. Right there on the porch. It was all sad. So we're getting ready to bury him in this hole we have. Mama, can you film that? So here's the bird.
Winnie, say bye to the hummingbird.
Good looking group.
Thank you.
Here he is.
Hold on, we're burying the bird right now.
Here he is. Here's how the bird looks. Let's gently lay him down here. Mama, it's too far. We're gonna love you, little hummingbird.
Hey, Winnie, tell the hummingbird bye-bye. It's going in the hole.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I know. It's okay. There you go. Good job, guys.
We can come here another day and see if it's
Oh, there we go. He's all buried. Can I stop it, guys?
Hold on, let me just...
Can I stop the video, guys?
Yeah, you can stop.